Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at that McCulloch Super Pro 125C chainsaw. That's a 7.5 cubic inch, 123cc motor. That saw weighs 23 pounds, that's the power head only. And this was made in the late 70s. And we'll take a quick look at the bar and chain on that. That features a 36-inch roller nose bar. If you look closely at the bottom of that bar, that's got studite on it. That's been hard faced for long wear. That was real popular back in the 70s to do that. Very expensive. About $300 back then to studite those bars. You can see right there. That's studite there. It's very hard. And we'll look at some of the features this saw had. It's got a manual override oiler right here, plus an automatic oiler. Kill switch right in the middle. Choke is on the right side there. There is a decompression valve down here underneath the trigger area. There's a decompression valve. Got the large falling spike and wrap handlebars. And that muffler's in very good shape. Really nice, clean muffler. You know how hard it is to find these old 125s, and this one seems to be in good shape. Has been setting for years. If you're going to use it for everyday cutting, you should do some tinkering on it, tune it up. It's great for the collectors though. Good runner. And we're going to take a look inside that motor. If you'll bear with me for just a minute, we're going to take that muffler off and have a look inside. Okay, I've got a screen too. We're going to take a look at it on the screen if you'll just hang in here for a second. Here's the ports, they're very clean. There's a back cylinder wall. It's real clean. There's some more ports over there. See how clean those are. And we'll go outside and make a cut with this saw.